What's up everyone, it's Tom Voyage here, welcome back to another pizza making video. So in this video we're going to be looking at the Ooni Koda 16. I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up, so even though it's freezing cold today, let's get going. So as the name suggests, the Ooni Koda 16 is a 16-inch pizza oven. The great thing about it is because it's gas, it's really easy to set up. It's not that heavy, so it's easy to move around. All you do is flip out the legs, connect it to the gas, turn the handle on the side, and boom, you're ready to go. So we've just fired up our oven here. It's going to take about 20 minutes to get to temperature. Inside there we've got a 16-inch stone, which is great for cooking huge pizzas. It's going to be ideal if you like entertaining, doing parties, if you've got a large family, or hey, if you just like eating huge amounts of pizza, like me. Now with the Ooni Koda 16, it's got an L-shaped gas burner. This means that the gas pipe runs along the side and along the back. That's ideal because it means you only have to turn the pizza once during cooking. Another thing that cooking on gas allows you to do is turn the flame up or down. So if you find that your pizzas are cooking too quickly or it's just too hot, knock it back a bit. If you need more heat, turn her up. Now if you want to buy one of these Ooni Koda 16s for yourself, click the link in the description. It doesn't cost you any more money, but it helps me out with a small commission so I can carry on making videos like this in the future. Also, if you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe. I will love you forever. Okay, now it's time for pizza. Alright, first pizza, here goes. Now as you can see with that L-shaped burner, we've got the flames around the side and over the back as well. It's going to give us a nice even cook. You can see the crust puffing up there. It's time to turn that around already, I think. Wow, look at this leoparding we're getting from that already. That's a super puffy crust we're getting on this. Steamy. And there you have it. That was a pizza cooked in around 60 seconds. Beautiful, crunchy. Listen to this. You can hear that crunching. So check the base. Nice leopard in there on the base. And that's how easy it is to cook on the Ooni Koda 16. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, please remember to like and subscribe and check back with me next time for more pizza making videos.